Frizz got you down? CurlSmith may have just solved one of the factors attributing to your frizz. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Courtney and here on this channel, we love CurlSmith. If you've been hanging out with me for a little while, you know my deep, passionate love affair with CurlSmith. This brand is super passionate about feeding and nourishing the world's curls. Pretty sure that's their tagline, and I gotta say, actions speak louder than words. They are following through on this. They are a brand that I have watched over the years work so diligently at expanding their line and curating formulas that are super specific and intentional. They're constantly doing research to bring to the market better products for wavy curly hair that solve different problems for people with wavy curly hair. And here they are again, doing it once again. They have launched an entire line specifically designed to help you manage your frizz. And today, they were kind enough to sponsor today's video. And I will be showing you exactly how these products that they've created will help you eliminate at least one of the factors that could be causing your frizz. There are actually a whole lot of factors that could go into making your hair more frizzy. In fact, I actually created an online digital guide called Freedom from Frizz, which does talk about all the factors of frizzy hair and gives you solutions. I have been linking them in the YouTube description for a while, as well as in a pinned comment. So you may have seen that in some of the previous videos, but if you feel like checking it out, it could be helpful to you. But today, that's not what we're talking about. We are talking about this new line from CurlSmith, which I am so excited to show you and demonstrate exactly how it helps minimize frizz. I'm gonna be honest with you. My hair lately has just been more frizzy. Here where I live in Texas, oh my lands, it has been so hot this summer. We have had months, it feels like at this point, of over 100-degree weather in the part of Texas that I am in. It is actually kind of humid and really high temperatures with really decent humidity. That leads to poofy Monica Geller hair. So without further ado, let me show you my before hair. Now, I know it could be worse. Let's not play the game of, oh my goodness, my hair is so much worse than yours. This is just to give you a basis of comparison of what the hair looks like before we wash and style it. The roots are pretty greasy. Ironically, it's the roots that are the most frizzy on me right now. This is frizz for my frizz level. Also, I have noticed that people with lighter hair that's not super dark and people with finer hair, their frizz isn't as noticeable, which I guess I'm lucky. I have finer hair and it's lighter colored rather than darker colored. So keep that in mind. If I had a different hair texture, if it were coarser, if it were darker, it would look different. All right, now let's play around with these products. Alrighty guys, while I'm getting my hair nice and soaking wet, I want to go into the science behind these products. These are formulated with an active nourishing blend based on a combination of blackcurrant seed oil, coconut butter, which is known to be rich in omega-3, 6, and 9. So yes, these products will on purpose leave a nice protective shield around the hair to keep it from frizzing. Now that my hair is nice and soaking wet, I'm grabbing the Frizz Control Cleanser. This is a gentle hydrating shampoo for all curl types. It does have that coconut butter, sunflower seed, blackcurrant, argan oil, and watermelon seed extract. It is also formulated with several really nice gentle surfactants, which is actually really going to help that frizz that I was showing you at my roots. I believe that that frizz was due to build up. And this gentle cleansing formula is going to remove the buildup on my roots that was causing that frizz and give me a nice clean slate to continue my wash day with. This has a really nice foam to it. I found that even though it's a sulfate-free shampoo, I got a really thorough cleanse on the first cleanse, which is very encouraging. I'm just scrubbing my scalp with the pads of my fingers before I pull that lather to cleanse the links in my hair, and then I'm going to rinse my hair really thoroughly before I grab the CurlSmith Frizz Control Duo Conditioner. This is a multi-use moisturizer for all curl types. I'm actually using this as my rinse out conditioner today, but this can be a leave-in conditioner as well. While this does contain that blackcurrant seed and coconut butter that I mentioned earlier, it also contains jojoba seed oil, watermelon seed oil, and argan oil. The fragrances of this CurlSmith Frizz line are really, really nice. It's matcha-y and watermelon-y. And I love this combination. It's light, it's sweet, it's summery, which is perfect and delicious. After I have finger detangled my hair, I'm grabbing my Bounce Curl defining brush to finish distributing this product through my hair. Honestly, great slip, super easy detangling. Now I'm just adding a tiny bit of water to the back of my head before I go in with my squish to condition. As I'm squishing to conditioning, I'm realizing that the detangling process was really easy, and most of the time with products that are meant to be a rinse out or leave-in conditioner, I have a harder time detangling. I don't know what it is about those products that I have a hard time with the detangling, but this one, I thought it was a regular rinse out conditioner with how easily my tangles melted out of my hair. This is what my curl clumps are looking like once I've done a really good squish to condition. Very juicy, very hydrated, but my hair as of late has really been preferring that I rinse out all conditioner in it and skip leave-in conditioner altogether. So I'm going to rinse this product out completely and squeeze all the water out of my hair, realize that that's not what I want to do, add water back to my hair before I define my curl clumps with that Bounce Curl defining brush. Seriously, this brush has changed my life, as I can get my curl clumps organized so quickly with this brush. Now that my curl clumps are organized, I'm giving my hair a quick little scrunch to make sure everything's just how I want it before I grab the CurlSmith Frizz Rescue Curl Retainer. This is a flexible definition jelly styler for all curl types with that sunflower seed, blackcurrant, coconut butter, squalane, which is a really nice humectant, and watermelon seed oil. This has a medium hold and, check this out, a really thick jelly texture. I love the texture of this product. I would call it kind of a custardy texture, and it smooths out super easily in the hands and has the same delicious, wonderful fragrance. I'm just gonna glaze this over and start scrunching it in while we take a look at the ingredients label. You may notice that this product does contain some glycerin, and you may be thinking to yourself, Courtney, why does a line that is supposed to combat frizz have a gel that has glycerin? An ingredient that is known to make hair frizzy in certain dew points. And let me tell you something, my friends. This product has been really well formulated so that there are super nourishing oils in it. And I am coming to the very strong conclusion that if a product is formulated with both oils and glycerin, you get the benefits of the humectant that is glycerin. It will hydrate your hair and keep it nourished. And the oils help block the humidity from causing your hair to frizz terribly. CurlSmith ran their own studies on this gel, and they noticed that people who used this gel had 72-hour frizz control, anti-humidity protection, frizz was reduced by 79%, and curls remained for 24 hours, even in extreme humidity. So how this works is that innovative tri-oil sunflower, watermelon, and argan oil complex creates a waterproofing invisible coat on the hair that prevents your hair from soaking up the water in the air and getting super frizzy. So while other products use ingredients like polyquaternium 4, which can get super buildup-y on the hair to block humidity, CurlSmith invented their own tri-oil complex, blocks humidity without building up on the hair. All right, guys, this is what my curl clumps are looking like once I've got that product nice and scrunched in. Frizz is minimized, curls are enhanced. I'm gonna go plot my hair and diffuse and be back to scrunch out the crunch with you guys. Hello there, guys. I have pull-upped my hair and diffused it. I always diffuse my hair roughly to the 90% dry mark, and then I let it finish air drying the rest of the way. I love this gel. This gel gave me a very soft but flexible cast. This has been my absolute favorite kind of cast to get lately. I find that I get my best wash day longevity with this kind of feel in my hair. If I get a really super stiff, dry cast, I find that my hair gets too dry and brittle as the wash day progresses, and I wind up being kind of sad with how the wash day wears. This really soft and slippery, flexible yet still there cast is the perfect kind of cast as of late. We're gonna finish off this wash day with the CurlSmith Frizz Rescue Finishing Serum. This is the final magical frizz fighting product of this line. We are sealing the hair. Do you see this packaging? And scrunching out the crunch with this product, and this will be the final layer and barrier in the hair to keep my hair from getting super frizzy. Okay, now I just have a tiny bit on my hands. It's super light and serum-y feeling. I'm just going to gently glaze this over, really making sure to kind of hit the parts of my hair that get the most frizzy before I gently scrunch out the crunch. Normally, I really don't love scrunching out the crunch with a kind of oil or serum like this because they make my hair feel so greasy. But I found that the CurlSmith oils and serums are lightweight enough and they soak in that I love using them on wash day to scrunch out the crunch and add an extra layer of protection. Oh my goodness! Ah! This wash day turned out so good. Look at this. Look at this. I have got so much curl happening. Everything is super curl enhanced. Frizz is super minimal because all the curls are in the curl family that they're supposed to be in. I want to finish off this wash day by saying that frizz can be caused by a bunch of different things. And the factor of frizz that CurlSmith is really focusing on and being super intentional about solving the issue of is this issue of a lightweight barrier on the hair to keep your hair from soaking up the humidity in the air, that hair cuticle swelling and causing frizz. They're solving the Monica Geller hair in humidity frizz issue. But if your application technique isn't right for your hair, if how you dry your hair isn't right for your hair, if you aren't protecting your hair while you sleep at night, all of these factors, even if you use wonderful products that are specifically designed to keep your frizz lower, you're still gonna have frizz. Another issue that these products directly combat is the damage issue that your products could be causing to your hair. If you are using products that are too harsh and stripping and products that aren't going to properly condition, nourish, and hydrate your hair, then you're gonna have a damage dryness issue that also leads to your frizz. So I guess CurlSmith is solving 3 of those issues: the dryness, the conditioning, and the product's ability to block your hair from absorbing water from the air. These products give you really good humidity protection for your hair. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Make sure to check out the links in the description so that if you feel like trying out these products for yourself, you absolutely can. Keep in mind that CurlSmith does offer a lot, not all, but a lot of their products in travel sizes. So if you feel like trying out their products without committing to the full size, you can absolutely do that. that is something that I really appreciate that they do. Also, I don't know about you, but I love traveling with travel sizes of the product. I don't like depotting my products and putting them in a travel size container. For whatever reason, I feel like that's really unsanitary. So I like that CurlSmith offers travel sizes for a variety of reasons. As always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Also, another reason that I love CurlSmith, I've mentioned this before, but I'm mentioning it again. They put super sneaky Bible verses on every single product, and if you look up the Bible verse, it has something to do kind of sort of with the line that they have. And I also like using super sneaky Bible verses in my videos. Okay, bye for real.